When doing a front foot elevated deficit lunge, you can place your front foot on any sort of objects. It's just so that your back knee can go below your front foot. Here we're using a 45-pound bumper plate. You can also use an aerobic step. If you're at home, you can even use the bottom step of your stairs. You just want to allow that back knee to go below. And just because this is a deficit doesn't mean that it's only for glutes. You can make this exercise for a quad. So I wanted to show you what you should be doing for a glute emphasis versus a quad emphasis. On the left side here, you'll see that the knee is right above the ankle and the torso is slightly leaned forward. That is going to be your glute emphasis. Now on the right, you can see that the knee is protruding towards the toes and the torso is a little bit more upright. That is going to be using a little bit more quad. So be aware when your program says quad emphasis that you keep your knee right above your ankle. So to start, place your front foot on your elevated surface, step your back foot into your lunge position, leaning your torso slightly forward and going straight up and down, taking your knee past your foot in the depth. Now, if you're working on your strength and the dumbbells are too much, go ahead and just do this body weight until you can perfect the depth in using your glute and then slowly increase the weight as you go. The number one mistake I see with clients is that they move their knee too far forward. We're really going to be using the glute and you want your knee right above your ankle, really pressing all of your weight on your front heel. So if you feel like you're having a lot of knee pain on that front foot, make sure that you're not moving your knee forward as you're going down, that you're going straight up and down, utilizing those glutes. If you're having a hard time using that glute, make sure you're not using any weight or possibly even having some sort of assistance holding on to something till you can build up that glute strength.